IPaT is Georgia Tech's Institute for People and Technology. We work with Georgia Tech researchers and a network of partners to create transformative solutions to society's most pressing problems in areas such as education, healthcare, media, and humanitarian systems. I'm Beth Minot. I'm the Executive Director of Georgia Tech's Institute for People and Technology. What we do at IPaT is understand how technology shapes, changes, and influences human behavior, and how people then influence that technology. We work at that combination, that intersection of how people and technology change together, work together, and are powerful for addressing the needs in our society. We're working in the future of home technologies. Home technologies includes gaming and fun ways that family interact with each other. Home technologies also include important interventions for healthcare, technologies to help us age in place, technologies to help us take care of family members who live far away from us, and even technologies to help combat isolation and depression. At IPaT, we take a systems approach to understanding the future role of technologies in all aspects of everyday life. For some folks, this is an Internet of Things approach. What is the future of how technology engages people in their daily lives? How do we make sure these technologies are secure? How do we make sure the technologies protect private information? And how do we make sure that they provide useful, usable, and ubiquitous experiences that improve daily lives? We're also working on smart city technologies that allow communities to take better care of their residents, business owners, and visitors. In Midtown, we're working on a project to help people tell the stories of Midtown, what makes Midtown a special and unique community, and why it's vibrant for them, and how they want to share that with new visitors to the city. We're working to improve the health care of children. We are working on techniques to improve immunization scheduling and compliance. We are recreating the experience of being in the hospital and interacting with your healthcare provider. And we are aiming to improve the health of children in their day-to-day life, such as improving asthma management and reducing the mortality of children suffering with this chronic disease. One of our most important partners is Children's Healthcare of Atlanta. Children's is the largest pediatric provider in the United States. They provide amazing care. They are working with Georgia Tech to find transformative solutions to the most pressing problems for children in the state of Georgia and beyond.
The GRASPR project is really one of the first projects to come out of the collaboration with Children's Healthcare. My name is Leanne West, and I'm the Chief Engineer of Pediatric Technologies for Georgia Tech. In the very first meeting we had, one of their doctors stood up and said, "Hey, if anyone can do something to grab slippery tissue inside the body, I could really use it."
My name is George Rashbaum. I'm a pediatric surgeon at Children's Healthcare of Atlanta at the Scottish Rite campus. I believe I had just finished doing one of these cases, which is the cases that you referred to, a pyloromyotomy. Although it's typically a fairly simple procedure, one of the challenges is actually grabbing the pylorus. The pylorus is sometimes referred to as an olive, and it almost has those type of characteristics. It's thick, it's smooth, and it's very hard to grasp. There is no doubt that if you had a grasper that could firmly grasp the pylorus, it would make the procedure not only faster, but also a safer procedure.
I heard him, and I knew about a project going on campus that I put together with another team of researchers at Tech to create the solution, which we now call Rashbaum's GRASPR.
My name is Brittany Haley, and I manage the Pediatric GRASPR project. We knew we wanted it to be more ergonomic because the current device wasn't quite as comfortable to hold as the physician preferred. You currently hold the device in sort of a handle grip, which is a lot of times difficult for the physicians as they're performing the surgery in such a small space. And we wanted it to be able to grasp with more force, yet be more compatible with the tissue so that it's not causing any damage during the procedure. So I think that for these patients and these families, it's just a further sense of relief that the doctor is as prepared as he can be with the right tools to be able to do this effectively and in a timely manner.
I have enjoyed working with Georgia Tech. It's been a great experience. I'm a firm believer that when you mix disciplines and you bring surgery and you bring the engineering component, the engineering tells you what you can and cannot do. The surgical component tells you this is what I need, and we try to bring them together.
The secret to how we work with our external partners is that we listen. We build a partnership of trust so that they can tell us the most pressing challenges that they are facing in their industry. And then we pull together a network of Georgia Tech researchers to work with them day to day to solve those problems. The folks here at IPaT are deeply committed to seeing their innovations, their inspirations make a difference in people's lives. We go the extra mile, we do the extra work, we listen harder, we work harder, because we want what Georgia Tech does to make a difference in the world.